Hidden cache destroy the performance of your gaming experience on your Windows computer. Not only that, it makes your system to run slowly. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix this in less than 2 minutes. First, come to this place, right click on it and hit the run button. Now here, type in percentage 10 percentage. Hit the enter button. Now you have to resolve temporary file here that's of note that is just deposited here based on what you'll be doing on your computer. Just Ctrl A to highlight everything, then Shift D to delete everything. Click on the OK button. If this button comes up, then click on this and click on skip all. Now this is going to delete everything here, thereby making your computer to run perfectly okay. In that same way now guys, Windows plus R key, it brings to this interface. Now type in temp, then hit the enter button. Now you have a set of files that is here that accumulate and make your computer to run slowly. This here, just Ctrl A to highlight everything, Shift D to delete everything as well. Click on yes button or continue. Then check this pause and click on skip as well. This will help you remove every chunks or cache on your device, thereby making your device to run very smarter. The last but not the least is to combine Windows plus R key. Into this place, type in prefetch, hit the enter button. Now if you have files here, any file that you see, just click Ctrl A and delete that file. Then that's all guys, you've been able to remove every chunks file or hidden caches on your device that prevents your device from performing very well. That's all. If you enjoy what I've explained in this video and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.